Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn one more big friend addition formula, big friend addition of 3. Now let us solve these sums using abacus. The first one, 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. Now how will I do plus 3? We don't have enough beads. So direct addition of 3 is not possible. Next one, 9 plus 3 less 2. 9 plus 3. Now again, we cannot do plus 3 because we have used all the beads here. So we cannot solve this directly. We need to solve this using formula. So in today's video, we are going to learn one more big friend formula, which is big friend addition of 3. Now can you help me? Who's the big friend of 3? We have done this before. Big friend of 3 is correct. It is 7. Big friend of 3 is 7. Well, if this is your first time on my channel and you don't know how to find big friends, then watch my previous videos. I've explained in detail about big friends and how to write the formulas. You will find the link in my description box. Now let us write the formula. Big friend of 3 is 7, and we also know 7's friend is 3. Now the formula, we need to add 3. So the formula is, first we need to add the base number, that is the boss number. The boss number is 10, and add the boss and less the friend of 3, that is 7. Okay, now with the help of this formula, let us solve these two questions. The first one, 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. Now plus 3 is plus 10 less 7. Plus 10 less 7. My answer is 11. Next one, 9 plus 3 less 2. 9 plus 3 again, plus 10 less 7. Plus 10 less 7, less 2. Less 2. My answer is 10. Now let us solve some more examples so that you are clear with the concept of big friend addition of 3. The first one, 9 less 2 plus 3. 9 less 2 plus 3 is plus 10 less 7. My answer is 10. Next one, 7 plus 3 plus 3. 7 plus 3. We don't have enough beads here, so we use the formula. Plus 3 is plus 10 less 7. Again plus 3. Now we can do it directly. So plus 3. My answer is 13. Next, 2 plus 7 plus 3. 2 plus 7. I can do it directly. Yes. Plus 3. I cannot. So I need to use the formula. For plus 3 is plus 10 less 7. My answer is 12. Next, 8 less 1 plus 3. 8 less 1 plus 3. I can do it directly? No, I can't. So the formula plus 10 less 7. My answer is 10. Next, 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Can I do it directly? Yes. Again plus 3. So plus 10 less 7. Now let's do 37 plus 3 plus 4. 37 plus 3. Can I do it directly? No, I can't. So, add 10 less 7 plus 4. Can I do it directly? Yes. So, my answer is 44. Next, 65 plus 3 plus 3. 65 plus 3. Can I do it directly? We have to check. Yes, I can. So, plus 3. Now, again plus 3. Can I do it again directly? No. So, I need to use the formula. The formula is plus 10 less 7. So, my answer is 71. Next, 29 less 2 plus 3. 29 less 2 plus 3. Can I do it directly? No. So, plus 3 is plus 10 less 7. My answer is 30. Next, 59 plus 3 less 2. 59 plus 3 is at 10 less 7 less 2. My answer is 60. Last one, 36 plus 3 plus 3. 36 plus 3. Can I do it directly? Yes. Plus 3. Again plus 3. So I have to use the formula now. So plus 10 less 7. My answer is 42. As we have solved all these sums based on big friend addition of 3 formula, I hope you are clear with all your doubts. But still, if you haven't understood the concept, kindly write in the comment section below. In the next video, we will be learning big friend addition of 2. If you have found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching us. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of abacus with Fatima.